Hey guys, welcome back to GothOnBudget, and today we'll be doing dollar store DIY nails. First off, you need some nails from the dollar store. These are French tips that I got, along with some black nail polish, top coat, cotton balls or pads where you need, nail files, nail glue, and above all else fails, crazy glue. First off, clean off your nails with some nail polish remover, also from the Dollar Tree. Also, hashtag not sponsored. So I'm using the nail file pad to clean off my nails, also kind of as an abrasive to make sure the glue and the nail attach to my natural nail. Grab your nails, and without glue, try on your nails to match each finger. File if you need to. I kind of had to on a few of them. So, add glue to your natural nail a little bit at a time, and place the false nail on top and hold on for 30 seconds. Now that false nail falls off, I had a few of them fall off after I applied the glue. Go ahead and try again and hold again. Now that I've placed them all, I'm going to use that nail pad again to make sure that nail polish stays on. I'm going to paint my nails black, because duh. So we're not done here, or you can if you want to, but I actually put glitter on my nails. Well, a few of them. Using that top coat. By the way, these glitters are also from the dollar store too. But using that top coat, I'm placing the glitter onto my thumbnails. And I actually love this glitter right here because it looks like my nails have fish scales on them. I guess you can call them mermaid nails. And when you're done, you can use a paintbrush and some nail polish remover and clean up the corners, because none of those are perfect. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hey guys, so there is a part 2 of this video, but I couldn't upload it, but hopefully I'll bring that back soon. Anyways, stay spooky out there.